Hi students, solid state question number 1, graphite and diamond are. Answer, option C, both covalent crystals. Question number 2, an ionic compound AXBY crystallizes in FCC type crystal structure with B ions at the center of each face and A ion occupying corners of the cube. The correct formula of AXBY is. Option B, AB3. Question number 3. Solid carbon dioxide is an example of. Answer, option C, molecular solid. Question number 4. Assertion, monoclinic sulfur is an example of monoclinic crystal system. Reason, for a monoclinic system, A not equal to B not equal to C and alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta not equal to 90 degree. Answer, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 5. In calcium fluoride having the fluoride structure, the coordination number of Ca2 plus ion and F minus are. Answer, option C, 8 and 4. Question number 6. The number of unit cells in 8 gram of an element X, atomic mass 40, which crystallizes in BCC pattern is. Answer, option B, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22. Question number 7. CSCl has BCC arrangement. Its unit cell edge length is 400 picometers. Its interatomic distance is. Answer, option D, root 3 by 2 into 400 picometers. Question number 8. The vacant space in BCC lattice unit cell is. Answer, option C, 32%. Question number 9. The radius of an atom is 300 picometer. If it crystallizes in a face-centered cubic lattice, the length of the edge length of the unit cell is. Answer, option B, 848.5 picometers. Question number 10. The fraction of total volume occupied by the atoms in a simple cubic is. Answer, B, pi by 6. Question number 11. The yellow color in NaCl crystal is due to. Answer, option A, excitation of electrons in F centers. Question number 12. If A stands for the edge length of the cubic system, SC, BC and FCC, then the ratio of radii of spheres in these systems will be respectively. Answer, option C, 1 by 2a is to root 3 by 4a is to 1 by 2 root 2a. Question number 13. If A is the edge length of the side of the cube, the distance between the body centered atom and one corner atom in the cube will be. Answer D, root 3 by 2a. Question number 14. Potassium has a BCC structure with the nearest neighbor distance 4.52 Armstrong. Its atomic weight is 39. Its density will be. Answer A, 915 kilogram meter minus 3. Question number 15. Schottky defect in a crystal is observed when? Answer B, equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice. Question number 16. The cation leaves its normal position in the crystal and moves to some interstitial position. The defect in the crystal is known as. Answer option C, Frenkel defect. Question number 17. Assertion: due to Frenkel defect, density of the crystalline solid decreases. Reason: in Frenkel defect, cation and anion leaves the crystal. Answer: both assertion and reason are false. Option D. Question number 18. The crystal with a metal deficiency defect is. Answer option B, FeO. Question number 19. The two-dimensional solid pattern formed by two different atoms X and Y is shown below. The black and white squares represents atoms X and Y respectively. The simplest formula for the compound based on the unit cell from the pattern is. Answer option A, XY8. Thank you.